Hello everybody. Today we are cooking very exotic food, that is chicken feet acchar. So first add oil in the pressure cooker and add the onions and mix them well until it gets brownish. So after it's golden brown, you add chicken feet. I made sure it's been cleaned and nails has been cut. Now mix them well with the onions. Now it's time to add some ginger and garlic paste. Add some salt, swad anusar. Now add half a spoon of turmeric, that is besar. So add some red pepper. I just added a little bit because I will be putting chilies a lot. So that will balance it and make it really spicy. Now mix the chicken with all the spices very well. Some Szechuan seasoning that will give an extra spice. As I mentioned, I will be adding lots and lots of chilies and add half a spoon of timur, which will give you that kick. And again, mix them all together very well. So one of the important steps for making this acchar is to add tomatoes. So I'm taking 2 small tomatoes. Now I'm adding like 2 spoons of water. Remember, we don't want to make this dish soupy. I want like semi-dry. Now cover your pressure cooker, and we need like 6 to 8 whistles to get completely cooked. Now let's open the yummy goodness. Now enjoy your exotic, spicy goodness with rice.